Well, I've always been really interested in entrepreneurship, especially social impact businesses, and I haven't really been able to see a pathway so clear as one in this program to start my own business and learn a lot of entrepreneurship skills from experts in their fields as well. I hope to be able to lay some really good foundations for me to take this to the next level. I really want to be able to help the people who are in the same situation as myself. That is why I did want to start this business. Yeah. I'm really excited to pitch because I am working on my presenting skills, and I think presenting at NatWest Conference Centre is definitely a way to see if I'm any better at it by the end of this programme, for sure.
So my Changemaker's business plan is a drink that helps people with low iron, and she told me that 40% of young people are deficient in iron and didn't know about it. I think my Changemaker will genuinely go on to do really amazing things. I think the plan that she's come up with and the product is something that actually should exist, and I kind of can't believe it doesn't already.
Today, I woke up feeling really inspired by my branding that I received yesterday, and I was excited to apply it to a prototype so I could, I don't know, see the future of FeFe. I've entered some amazing rooms, and each time we go to a new place, I'm more comfortable, I'm more used to it, I'm more used to speaking to new people, expanding my network, which I love. Pitch night is coming soon, and I hope that my story is well received, people can relate to what I'm going through, and people can understand where the product I ended up with came from and how it can help a lot of people.